You getting any hail damage? It's about over. What?
Fort Wright.
Fort Wright? Headed what way? I'm going there. I'm getting in the car. Fort Wright? Well, turn on the Weather Channel, baby. 4th of July fun with the Denver Seafords and the Newport Seafords. Good shot, Scotty. It's coming back. It's coming back.
Where is it?
It's on your better man, big boy.
Came down in somebody's car.
Well, why'd you do it that way for, Rob?
It was the way we go to the house. And major kick.
Guys, let's go back, okay? In the backyard.
It's got to be in the woods.
Get a call from them women over
RJ,
there.
quit telling them to do it that way.
I'd like it to go this way.
Bobby.
That's the way for it to go.
Listen to me, so I can make all the suggestions.
The opposite of what?
Where's Dick?
We better
Send
stay
him to
some for
Massimo.
Dick.
Where's the killer dog? We gotta leave. We can't send anything for Dick.
You gonna take
We
that
have
down,
to
shoot
leave.
a
What
fancy
time you leaving?
floater?
2 o'clock.
If not, tomorrow. 2
Yeah.
o'clock tomorrow.
Where's Jerry today?
I guess he went back home to see Wiggins. Old man Muff fell out of the tree. Yeah, he fell out of the tree.
Well, Lois was up in a tree.
No.
I thought Potato Nose was in the tree. Hi, Eileen.
Hi. Do the other foot, not I. You guys need a drink?
He was cutting a limb up there and he fell out.
Who else needs a drink?
She want that? No. Here, these.
That little grim one.
Yeah, that's why I told him not to hit him with the bat. So I could feel him hit
Any
him
of
in
them?
the chest.
Does anybody here not like green pepper in their coleslaw? Or is that just the net?
Just net.
Smile, Joey. Are you working out, Jerry?
Working's about all I can do.
Snappers were out. Where's Snapper go?
Here, Mike. Here, baby.
For you.
Mama got some cheese for you, some dirty cheese.
Here, Lisa.
Yeah.
What's that?
Mama, drop.
Oh, thanks so much.
If there were aliens, they would have gotten you when they had the chance. I know it, so I know they don't exist.
You're an alien. What's your spill?
3 Milky Ways at work, they're horrible. Not even worth eating.
Lisa got me some of that. I can't believe it's not butter. I can
Not
believe
butter.
it's butter.
Jeff?
It's them Taylor Mill stop mowers.
What are you doing?
Melon.
That's sweet sauce.
That's good. I like that.
Lisa, keep it down.
There's some in the living room.
Singapore. You want Bridget?
What'd he say? Look.
You can't tell him anything.
What'd he say? Chris?
Jerry said by Tuesday either she's going to be bald-headed or he is. He said, I'm not going to be bald-headed, you are.
Why go get some fireworks? Shut that thing off.
Robert.
Video, I'll get him.
Somebody's gonna get hurt now.
Never.
Never.
Tickle him, tickle him, tickle him. Thank you, son, for rescuing me.
Shut up!
Men in Black. No!
Where do you? Now we just got people in fire.
Hey, hey.
Shut that thing off!
They have any bad weather up there the other night?
And I would
They
take
had
it
any
as a
bad
spice.
weather the
You know, I don't know. I haven't talked to her.
And I would take it down for him and Dad. Do you know, the last time I took it,
What the?
Remember those 4th of Julys we spent out at Pawpaw's camp? Jeff and Nat, Bridgie, Nikki, Jerry and Chris, Pawpaw, little Robert.
There's our talking to himself.
Those were always peaceful 4th of Julys.
And everything laying out.
You know, Robert?
So quiet, so peaceful at camp.
Where's Robert?
Away from the noise and the
Yeah.
hustle and bustle.
Mosquitoes.
God damn, I think
The
my
people
hands,
double
I think
park.
I've got about 4 bites
Yeah,
on
we
my
have to
hand.
call and let him know.
Now it's quiet.
Yeah, now it's quiet. Off in the distance, the fireworks of New Richmond.
Why does he have to walk away then? Then he starts walking. How dare Jeff?
Happy since he's close by.
Jerry had a lot of pork down there.
Oh, he had a pig, huh?
I'm busy. Butterfly.
Better than 200. Yeah.
Lid over top
No,
of it.
it's open. It was open.
Huh?
It was open.
Memorial Day weekend. Look at that. And it lasted 3 days. Had 5 pigs, all beer you can drink.
One didn't know.
Huh?
The one didn't. One broke up real early. Once and a damn kid come down that hill on a skateboard. Hit a chuck hole. Went off on his goddamn head. He laid there and they got the ambulance there. And man, that broke it up. They all left. They took him to the hospital.
Stay out back, bud. That's it. That's all. No tank.
what happened to him?
I don't know. I never did. I know they were all scared to death.
I bet. Ooh, what time is it, Dad?
About 10:15. They used to dig that pit out there. Dig a pit in the ground, and build their fire in there, and then roast them over top of that.
On a
Yeah, can we go to the drink?
farm right around the bend there by Flatwoods.
Oh, that's a good.
And they had cooked. So they had 5 of them lined up. They had pigs in some of them, baked potatoes, corn on the cob on the other one.
Chris, look.
Grand finale.
Stop.
That's grand finale. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, grand finale.
That's not grand finale. Here, let me see through that camera.
Now don't you monkey with it.
I ain't.
Don't shake it.
Let me see.
Can you see? Come here.
I can't. Can't see nothing.
Well, they stop now, buddy.
I don't see nothing. Oh, I see it. Look.
You're walking right out there, with it, Mom? You come right out there.
That scares the shit out of her.
Were you firebug as a kid? Well, alright, I'll get it. What did I just say? Get him, Patty. What's he doing?
Hey, we do camera kid. Boogeyman! Hey, we do camera kid. Boogeyman!
Put your foot in there.
Isn't Robert showing you how to rollerblade, buddy? What? What's this little fat rolly here?
No man. What did everybody else guess?
What'd you say, Rita?
Ulcer. Say, RJ.
Hi, Uncle Jeff. Hi, Papa.
Howdy.
We're not doing that.
Oh,
one yet.
Chris, I'm sorry.
Old
I'm
age
sorry.
getting you ready.
I'm sorry. I'm listening to Jeff and talking to you.
And he's there?
I know.
I'd have to say 210.
210.
Sure. And excuse me. Look at that ice.
229.
I know, I noticed it.
No, hell.
It is.
What'd you say, Chris? 210.
Oh,
210?
Gosh, she's America. Yeah, make America.
Not true. You did, that's just true.
He didn't buy me any green grapes.
Oh. Gee. Yeah.
What'd you say, Mom?
How many candles did you get here, Rob?
About fives? No, but
Are you guys only doing the candy right
No
now?
multiples of my number.
Christopher wants to be in on the popcorn.
Oh.
Chris, what are you grabbing there, guy?
What's worse than a hurricane?
Quit picking on him.
Chris.
Jeff?
Yeah. What about it?
How many?
Well, did everybody do it?
The winner.
I don't,
RJ.
I don't want to see nobody's name. I'll just tell you the number.
What did you say, R?
What did Dad do it?
the candy one?
That one.
Candy one's 243.
Yeah, you got
I
one.
demand a recount. There's
Tell
more.
him.
Yeah, who wants a candy anyway? You probably licked the
I just with the $2. I just with the $2.
Hey, Jeff.
I
RJ.
want the $2.
229. That's not fair. That's his father.
243.
You better get some sun.
Frank can't win. That's Jeff's dad.
Hey, Christopher. Grandpa makes you
What's
candy
up for
now.
the names, don't you?
Jeff.
Where's Lucky? Where'd Lucky go?
Because they all wanted toys.
Hey, Lucky!
Toys now.
No,
They
we're
got
not making money. I want to buy my own
You
toy.
haven't come up with that since the last Litno party.
Robert, almost birthday.
Yeah, she's on the 4.
Oh, two happy birthdays.
Fred, you're going to burn your
There
finger.
you go,
This is the
Dad.
first time I got to
They
look
would
at
never
this
give me that.
shirt.
Well, I can't tell you, 'cause I tell you, everybody
Turn the kick around.
Good job, Mom. Oh, I got no hair on my knuckles.
Did you have hair on it?
That's what I loved about you, honey.
Come on, Rob, get down here.
Sends that good,
Can I do the camera? Not that one.
Yeah, you better. Yeah.
Wait a minute, Rita.
They still, they're nothing but a hunk of sugar.
This is what I want.
How much? Who got right?
Come over, Brad.
Excuse me, Aunt Joy.
Yeah, get those two together.
Oh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Bridget Roberts.
And the security guard.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Rob Booper. Chris,
Come
it's not
on.
your birthday.
These are no presents.
Oh,
No.
yay! Yay!
Well, if they're teenagers, it's getting too old.
Where's
No.
the card?
You don't get one. It's our cake.
Oh.
Spit on it.
Use 15.
There you go, baby.
Ooh, big,
He
oh.
doesn't have any hair in his nose.
That's right.
He never did.
That's it.
That's my baby.
Robert.
RJ.
That is a classic. I know, that's why I had to do it. We have to carry on the tradition, Uncle Chris.
What are you doing, Patty? Taking a bite?
No, I don't care for that.
Who's it made by?
I gotta figure out.
Son? Hey, Bob. Tell Uncle Jeff about that that bill you ran up at the Bally's Motel TV.
Yeah, we'll go shopping.
Was it all like Discovery Channel? Like all white panties and... Was it Discovery Channel?
Oh, wait a minute, I put the wrong one in there.
Oh,
I put the
no.
wrong one in there.
Aww.
I'll take one.
I'll take one.
Wait a minute, I put the wrong one in there.
991.
A bank account's going to go up, isn't it, Robbie?
Well, sure it is. You go tuition for college.
That's right.
You got that line. That'd pay your movie bill.
That's right.
Okay. No.
Pulp is not eligible for the next drawing, is he?
He said, no, You win one, you're eliminated.
Yeah. Are we counting the pretzels in there, too?
Yeah, that's one.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Which one you gonna try to guess now? Which one would you rather eat? This one seems to be Anthony's in there now. That's $5.
Okay, I'll take.
Plus, you get to keep the container.
Okay.
He said,
Just
even
think
if I don't win
big.
this night, corn.
Think big.
What?
Now
90.
think. What do you want?
30.
I don't.
And 200.
Good card, Pop.
Patty, what'd you say? 1,000.
Pop. Nice. Pop. Nice card.
1,201. 1,201.
There you go. That's good. That's good. 1,201.
1,201.
1,201.
1,201.
Look how big Christopher is.
That's a good one.
Okay, this is Price is Right. 1202.
380.
380 pieces of coin in here.
Same one.
Patty.
La la la.
Only I know how many.
Don't break it. Don't break it,
I'm
buddy.
not gonna break it.
You broke it
Come here,
before.
come here, come
We
here.
can't have that
Come here,
there.
come here.
You're
Come here.
welcome.
Closer, closer.
What'd you get?
You can't break it.
Hey, let me have a ride.
I thought this was it.
My name's up, go next to you. Next, what's the one that was made?
There it is.
Boogie, help me.
Thanks, Momo.
Patty's right underneath it.
Hit him on me.
I'm getting Robert opening his presents, buddy.
Working on a pop.
What present is it? Oh, you guys, birthday cards? Oh, you guys.
What?
Birthday cards? Oh, you got.
What? Yeah.
No packages, all birthday cards. No money in there. I betcha.
That's from Momo and Cece.
That looks like you.
That does look like you, Robert.
Betcha.
I picked this card just for you.
Eh, that's a good one, Momo.
How many? RJ, what about the corn?
I already told you.
I didn't write it down.
390.
You can go shopping when you're ready.
Yes, it will. The 22nd of August. He will be twice as rich then as he is now. Heard her, Nick. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Heard her, Nick. Jeff, I wouldn't be leaving the bedroom door open anymore.
What beat up your mom?
1,000. 1,000.
Quit beating your mom up.
RJ just picking on her.
Put her down.
And this I picked.
20. This is a cute card. At least 40. Oh, they did that on their computer.
100.
What?
Isn't that neat?
That's great.
Like 4,000.
Does he like to have his
Bridget.
That's all he had was 18.
No, he said
$2 bills are hard to
he
find.
could only count 300. He had stuff.
I give the kids
Okay, well,
bills on Valentine's Day and Halloween.
you ever see the ones like on Easter and Christmas they put Santa or a bunny in the middle?
I got a bunny.
Jerry?
Wow.
Oh,
Santa dollars.
Yeah, Santa dollars, Easter bunny
My
dollars.
sister sends them to him every year.
Reel them in. You count them?
I counted every
Just
one.
a-
No, I don't have
Verified by Leslie Isaiah Gaines.
You need me, you call me.
She doing popcorn now?
Yeah.
Paw Paw's disqualified.
What?
Trying to pop it, later.
Don't,
All right.
don't let that.
Jeff.
That's horrible record box. What?
And that,
See?
Insider information over here.
Missing.
excuse
Missing.
me, Nick.
No one knows he did it once he was there.
Honey, good act.
He didn't count these.
I did so count them.
Okay, Jeff. I mean, Nat.
1 pound, 4 ounces.
Oh.
You go by poundage now, you got me. Hey, pull your pants up, Jesus.
1,012.
You gotta get that on a movie.
Make sure that your girlfriend.
I said 1,000.
Miss Deaton is teaching.
Commando, huh?
Miss Deaton.
Yeah.
I know who that is.
Let's see it.
What? You got them all? 3,000. Who got the coins?
How much?
Coins are gone. Uh-oh.
They're shaking down.
Shake them down. Frisk them.
203 off,
Boy,
Lisa.
the Cecil couldn't got any closer, I'm telling you.
Tricia is going to be able to do that because everybody's related. Well, that's your brother. That's your mom.
That's stupid, ball. You ever thought of just holding it until he comes to third, then you get him mad at him?
Very good, Nick.
You're
The,
out.
the thinking man's baseball.
You ran out of the baseline.
I hit you in the knee.
I jumped over it.
No, I hit
Hey,
Strike one.
Strike one. Strike.
Oh!
Home run.
What's his face?
Got ya! Oh, he got ya!
that's now. 1 out.
That's 2. He got you the first time you jumped.